broke my lawn chair that I sit out here in the morning and have coffee. I broke it because I was leaving on a trip and I left this out in the front. I did not want to leave it out in the front to be stolen, so I threw it over the fence because I didn't want to go get the key to unlock the gate. Threw it over the fence and broke it right here, all the way around. Well, packing tape did the trick. Put it together with packing tape. Packing tape is cheap, transparent, you don't have to worry about the color, and now this is as strong as before. Not pretty, but I don't want to buy another one because I'm not going to get the same style again. They always change style, especially this is fall. There are no chairs available in the fall. Packing tape did the trick. Wrapped it here. Split goes down this far and up here. That's the end of the split.